Hello everyone, and welcome to Kinvest. If you are interested in trading forex, gold, or other financial markets, one of the first things you need to learn is how to use a trading platform. And one of the most popular platforms used by traders around the world is MetaTrader 5, also known as MT5. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to set up MetaTrader 5 and connect it to a broker account. Don't worry if you are a complete beginner. I will explain everything in a very simple way so you can follow along easily. And by the end of this video, you will understand how to install MetaTrader 5, connect your trading account, and place your first trade. Also, in this tutorial I will be using the broker called Exness. If you want to open an Exness account, you can find my link in the video description or in my bio. That link will take you directly to the registration page. And if you would like me to make a full step-by-step video showing exactly how to open an Exness account, let me know in the comments below. If many people request it, I will make that video next. Alright, now let's get started. The first step is downloading MetaTrader 5. If you are using an Android phone, open the Google Play Store. If you are using an iPhone, open the App Store. In the search bar, type MetaTrader 5. You will see the official MetaTrader 5 application. Go ahead and tap Install. The download should only take a few seconds. Once the installation is complete, open the MetaTrader 5 app. When you open the app for the first time, it might look a little confusing. But don't worry, after this video it will feel much easier. Before you can start trading, you need to connect MetaTrader 5 to a broker account. A broker is the company that connects your trading platform to the financial markets. For this example, we are using Exness. If you don't already have an account, you can open one using the link in my bio or the link in the description below this video. Once you create your Exness account, you will have access to your personal area where you can create a trading account. Inside your Exness dashboard, you can create either a demo account or a real account. If you are new to trading, I strongly recommend starting with a demo account. A demo account gives you virtual money, so you can practice trading without risking real money. It's the best way to learn how the platform works. After creating your demo account, you will receive your login information. This usually includes your trading account number, password, and server name. Now go back to the MetaTrader 5 app. Look for the option that says Login to an existing account. Search for Exness in the broker list and choose the correct server. Then enter your account number and password that you received from Exness. After logging in, your trading account will be connected to MetaTrader 5. Now let's quickly look at the main parts of the platform. At the bottom of the screen you will see several tabs. The first tab is Quotes. This section shows the different trading instruments available. These can include currency pairs like Eurist, PUST, or commodities like gold. The next tab is the Chart section. This is where traders analyze the market. The chart shows price movements using candlesticks. Each candlestick represents how the price moved during a certain period of time. If the candle is green, it means the price went up during that period. If the candle is red, it means the price went down. You can also change the time frame of the chart. For example, you can look at a 1-minute chart, a 5-minute chart, or even a daily chart. Different traders use different time frames depending on their strategy. Now let's see how to place your first trade. Go to the Quotes section and choose the asset you want to trade. For example, many beginners like to watch currency pairs or gold. Tap on the asset and select New Order. This will open the trading window. Here you can choose your lot size, which controls how big your trade will be. You can also set a stop loss and take profit. A stop loss helps protect your account if the market moves against you. A take profit automatically closes your trade when your target profit is reached. After setting your trade details, you will see two buttons, the buy button and the sell button. If you think the price will go up, you press buy. If you think the price will go down, you press sell. After opening a trade, you can monitor it in the Trade tab where you can see your profit or loss in real time. Before you start trading with real money, spend some time practicing with your demo account. Practice helps you understand how the platform works and how the market moves. And remember, trading always involves risk, so learning proper risk management is very important. Now you know the basics of how to set up MetaTrader 5 and connect it to an Exness trading account. If this video helped you, please take a second to like the video. It really helps the channel grow. Also subscribe to Kinvest if you want to learn more about trading, forex strategies, gold analysis, and making money online. And don't forget to comment below and tell me what video you would like to see next.